everyone. Today we're going to do another video about this Boeing 717 license emergency. Engine's on fire. So let's practice this. What if I do the full flight like this? Okay. So then we just got fire. To like land in a minute because it does have this timer to like record. I'm gonna put this in the engine. Is it on the engine? Yes, it is. I'm just flying like crazy.
1,000. 500. 400. Approaching minimums. 300 minimums.
Okay, that was like funny.
100. 50. 40. 30. Retard.
Okay, we're done. Well, that's it for today, guys. Bye.